from Auckland. Sarah Amin is a singer, songwriter, and musician who has traveled and performed at various hotels, entertainment venues in Asia and the Middle East. We are very honored to recognize Sarah as the Filipino Kiwi Music Awards Hero of the Year. And to give this award is with Mr. Kiko Fernandez and Ms. Emil Sakay, member of ACFC, a Catholic community in Auckland.
Congratulations, Sarah. As you can see, she has her guitar with her. And Sarah, would you like to say something to the community?
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Sarah Ami, and first of all, I would like to thank Filipino community. And maraming salamat po sa karangalan nito. Fiesta Filipinas, Filipino News NZ, Mel Fernandez, and the other organizers. Maraming salamat po. Una sa lahat, pinagsasalamatan ko po ang Panginoong Jesus sa nagbigay ng talento at layunin ko sa musika. Sa aming pamilya sa Philippines, salamat po sa inyong suporta at patuloy na pagdarasal. Sa aking asawa, mahal, thank you, and Kala, Wogan Siani, Wong Chanda Aini, maraming salamat for your support. At kay Kuya Jeff ng Like Per Second Videography and Photography, maraming salamat kasi ikaw ako ng Pilipinong naniwala sa akin na maipakita ko ang aking talent dito sa Auckland, New Zealand. Sa aking butihing kaibigan na si Kuya June Ablanida of JR Colorwood Paint, maraming salamat po for always inviting me on your big events with your friends, Kuya Bong Tipon and other friends. Kay Eric Sia ng Hongkong, yung food court po nila ay nasa labas. Thank you sa pagbibigay ng espasyo sa inyong stage dyan sa Mount Albert and Ormiston Branch. At nagbigay ito ng opportunity para sa akin na makapag-celebrate ng events sa iba't ibang Filipino communities. At sa aking kainsinig, mga brother, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagbigay ng platform at maipahayag yung music ko at ang aking kwento, mga original songs ko. Thank you so much. Ito pong karangalan ito hindi mo lang po sa akin, kundi po para sa mga musikerong may inspirasyon din dito at nangangarap at umaawit kahit saan mang panig ng mundo. Maraming salamat po and congratulations to all awardees. Thank you so much po.